neuromodulator injection, what to expect. So if you're coming in for Botox, Dysport, Jeuveau, or Xeomin, those are all neuromodulators. Basically, if you've had it in the past, any of those in the past, we will use your past experience and doses to help guide your next treatment. Meaning if you know how many units you need in a certain area of your face to achieve your desired result, we will stick with that. If you said, you know what, I probably don't need that much, I was too frozen, we'll back off a little bit. If you need a little bit more because you didn't get enough decrease in movement from the last treatment, we'll go up on the dose a little bit. How neuromodulator injections are done is once we figure out the number of units you need in each area of your face that we're treating, I will go draw that up and come back and inject it into your face in all the little areas that we are treating. And that's about it. It's a very fast thing to have done. It usually takes, you're usually in our office for 15 minutes or less if you're an established patient. If you're a new patient, it might take you a little bit more time to complete the initial paperwork, and that is about it. There's really no downtime after neuromodulator injections. I tell people don't exercise or sweat for 1 hour. After that, you can do whatever you want. I tell patients that once it kicks in about 3 to 7 days, depending on which neuromodulator you get, if anything looks asymmetric or weird, come back so we can level it out. Otherwise, I don't need to see you back until you are ready for more Botox, Dysport, Jeuveau, or Xeomin. If you want to learn more about neuromodulator injections, I do have other videos that discuss the starting doses as well as the starting cost to treat each area. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send us an email, submit a virtual consult, or ask a question on the SpeakPipe of our blog. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.